I've been working as a fashion designer over 12 years and I see every day how women struggle with creating their dream wardrobes. This inspired me to create a step-by-step guide how to create the wardrobe you adore. And guess what? It doesn't have to be big. Creating your dream wardrobe involves consideration of your needs, lifestyle and personal style. Yes, but also thoughtful planning and organization. Like with everything else in life, if you have a plan, divide it into steps to reach the dream. So, let's start with the steps to reach your dream. I love to organize my wardrobe by categories, tops, bottoms, dresses, jackets, etc., color and in order of length for easy access. That way my wardrobe looks beautiful and also well organized. If that's done, declutter. Go through your current wardrobe and donate or sell the items you no longer see yourself wearing. The unwritten rule is if you haven't worn an item over a year, you most probably won't wear it again. Of course, there are exceptions. For example, a wedding dress or other items that have an emotional value. Or for example, evening gowns that we just don't wear so often. But it's not reasonable to keep the everyday key items that you don't see yourself wearing again. Our style changes in time and that's normal. If it's hard for you to let go of some pieces, try to think of a way that someone else can give these pieces a new life and they don't have to hide in your closet anymore. Consider your daily routine, work and social life. Your wardrobe should be created according to your needs. Collect images of outfits, styles and pieces that resonate with you. Take into account the needs of the seasons and ensure your wardrobe includes appropriate clothing for each. For example, create a summer capsule and winter capsule and do it in a way that during the transitional seasons you can mix and match the items. Create a harmonious color palette that suits your skin tone, hair and eye color. Create a mood board to visualize your ideas. Create a list of the pieces you envision in your dream wardrobe. Create separate lists for clothing, shoes, bags and accessories. Divide them into categories based on your lifestyle. For example, everyday wear, leisure wear, sportswear, festive pieces, and workwear. That way you ensure an overall overview. Research specific pieces to understand the costs and determine whether you can find suitable options from stores or need to use custom-made services. Prioritize these lists. It's important to start with the pieces you need first. Also consider the season. If it's summer, you don't need a winter coat and vice versa. Decide how much you can realistically spend on your dream wardrobe. It depends on your preferences, but I recommend deciding on a monthly budget you save for your dream wardrobe. Create a system for how often you can add a new piece to your wardrobe. It can be one piece per month, or it can be a new addition in every 2 to 3 months, or whatever interval that is suitable for you. If it's doable and necessary, you can also buy the new foundational wardrobe at once and then start adding a new piece in every 2 to 3 months. It's individual and depends on your possibilities. Find brands that align with your style and quality expectations. These days I recommend investing only in quality pieces. Slow fashion and traditional tailoring are what the world is looking toward. Quality pieces are more expensive, but they last longer and the cost per wear will be more reasonable in the end. Keep an eye on discounts, of course, if the brands in your list have discounts. It may happen that you find something from your wish list with a better price. As you have a list, you prioritize and don't buy anything you don't need during the attractive sales period. It's normal that our style changes in time, so go through your wardrobe each season or once a year. Remove the items you no longer wear and check what you are missing and add these pieces to your list. At this point, it's clever to consider different styling options. Often our garments are wearable in multiple ways to refresh our appearance. If you are searching for a style inspiration, check Mariliis Style Guide. Building your dream wardrobe is a fun, ongoing process. Systematic analysis, updates and improvements are essential to align with your evolving style, needs and lifestyle. By following the list, you update your wardrobe regularly, and monthly budget is the key to achieving it. This system helps you in remembering your actual needs and avoid emotional purchases that could lead you away from your dream. I hope this video will help you to create your dream wardrobe. Discover more styling ideas from my style guide. You'd be surprised at how many looks you can create with one single piece.